Hi everyone, how are you all today? So I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Archer and Olive mystery box that I just received. It's not open, it's like still sealed completely. I just got it this morning and I'm ready to open it. For those of you who don't know, this is a mystery box, so I have no idea what's inside. I have my guesses seeing other boxes, people who have already received theirs, but I'm really excited. Arch and Olive is a stationery brand. This is not a sponsored post affiliated with them at all in any way. I was trying to try some of their products since a long time, but yeah, they're on the expensive side. So yeah, I thought the mystery box is a great way to try out some of their stuff without spending a lot of money. From what I know, they are value for money. You get at least 3 products in each box. And they are around $50 for 3 products. I think it's a great deal. Now, what's inside? I'll tell you what I know and what I'm hoping for. On their listing, on their product listing, they have mentioned that every box will contain at least one dot grid journal. That's what we all want, right? Definitely want one dot grid journal or more. So yeah, that's there will definitely be one. I think that almost covers more than half of the cost of the box, so that's a very good deal. And other than that, my personal wish to get in this box is at least a set of pens. I am really excited for their pens. They have these paintbrush kind of pens. They look really pretty and I want to try them. I hope I get pens, and I am hoping to get a blackout journal that has completely black pages. I'm putting it out there. I don't know what's inside. I'm hoping it is something like that. So let's begin. I have my scissors here, pretty florals. Let's get in. So I'm cutting it. It's cut. I don't want to see what's inside, so I'm just going to pull out something. It's a journal definitely, and I think here they put what's inside. I can't see it in the camera, but maybe you can, but we'll open it without looking. The boxes are so pretty. I've always looked at these online and really wanted one of these, and I finally have them. Any journal would be nice, honestly, because I don't have anything from them before. So, anything is good. But look at the box. It's so pretty. It's such a sturdy box. I think it's an A5 from guessing from the size. Should I be like? Because that was a bit difficult for me to handle with one hand, so here it is. It's a plain dot grid journal. It's got nothing on the cover. It's pretty, it's nice. Maybe I would have loved something else or like a design, but I'm really glad. And it's not a blackout journal, it's just a plain white journal. 160 dot grid pages, 160 GSM. That's how it looks. It's just the plain, it's a linen kind of a cover. I've never used this kind of a journal. It looks such good quality. Really excited. So this is number one. Put it back. Next, number two. It's another journal. It feels bigger, no? Oh, it's the same size. wow, beautiful. Look at that. How pretty is that? This is craft paper, and the moon is so pretty. This is very pretty. Yes, I would have loved a blackout one, but wow, this looks amazing. Look at that. It's a fabric, dark black fabric, linen fabric, whatever it's called, and the pages are gonna be craft paper inside. I'm not opening it right now, but it's gonna be like that. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, and the third, yeah. Number 2 done, number 3. Inside. Pens. Oh my god. I'm so happy. There's nothing else, right? So I got a set of the markers. So they're not like normal pens. They are acrylograph markers. They look almost like paints, watercolor paints when put on paper. They look really beautiful. So I have got the, as I see on top, this is the 0.7 mm tip and primary selection. So the basic colors. Oh, so they gave a blending palette over here. This is a blending palette. As I mentioned, they're like watercolors, so you can blend them here. It's such a big box. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. These are the acrylograph pens. These are the colors. I'm really happy with these. So there's a white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black, and a clear one. They're all 0.7 mm. That's how they look. And I know it takes time to set them up because you need to activate the ink. So right now they look clear. You have to really like keep shaking them. I'll do that later. Maybe I can do a pen test of all of these. So yes, that's my mystery box. I'm really glad with everything I got. Yeah, I do wish I would have gotten a blackout journal. I really want to try one of those, but anyway, a craft book, a plain dot grid notebook, and these pens. They're so pretty. I've already started my 21 journal in another brand's notebook, but these I would use for the next half of the year because obviously one notebook lasts 5-6 months. Yes, so that's all for today. Do let me know if you got the mystery box and you share with me what all did you get. Yeah.